Okay, so we're in Scotland. We've been here a couple of weeks. I don't know where roundabouts were first created, but they have them a lot here in Scotland, England. And I really like them. Problem is, in the States, people don't drive them right. So I'm gonna do a little public service announcement here on how to drive roundabouts properly. So we'll show you a couple examples. Okay, so the first problem is, in the States, people, a lot of times they stop. All you got to do is look to the right and see if there's a car coming. If there's no car coming, don't stop. That's the whole point. They keep traffic moving. Okay, so here we got another one. This one's, now here we do have some traffic who looks like they go around occasionally, so people are needing to stop. But you don't have to stop for a long time. You just got to look and judge if a car is coming. If not, you enter the roundabout and you have the right of way. Okay, and then as a courtesy, a lot of times over here people will put on their blinker so that the other cars waiting to get in the roundabout can see that you're exiting the roundabout, and that gives them a clear shot to come in. That's just kind of a courtesy. You see a fair number of people do it, and it's very helpful. It keeps traffic moving. Another thing they do in the States is they put this thing in where they make you turn sharply one way and then the other, and I guess that's to slow people down because they're not familiar. They don't want anybody coming into the roundabout too fast, but it's irritating, and I wish they would take those out. So here's another one. Nobody coming from the right. Don't even have to stop or slow down, really. Just keep cruising. Okay, here's another one. Nobody coming from the right. Just keep right on going. No need to even really slow down much. Blinker. Let them know not continuing around the roundabout so that they can go ahead and jump in.